Okay, question 17 for Practice Provincial B. A line has a slope of 2/3 and passes through the point 6, 0. Which of the following points must also be on that line? Alright, so you've noticed I've written down two things, or three things already, m, x1, and y1. M is my slope, and x1 and y1 are a point. I wrote this because in class we talked about one of the forms of a line can be written in slope point form. It can be written like this. So if you know the slope of a line and you know the points, one of the points on the line, you can write the equation of the line like this. Okay. So this is really just a line. We know the line starts at 6, 0, so we can plot that point right away. 6, 0. Okay, and we know that's a slope of 2/3. So slope is rise over run. So it goes up 2 and over 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there's my next point. Alright, and then we can draw a line between the 2 points, and that would be my line. And probably easier if you had a ruler. I don't really have a ruler with this, or no, oddly enough, no straight line tool, but this will have to do. So, once you draw the line, we just look. Which one of these points is also on this line? Alright, let's see. -3, -6. -3, -6 is 1, 2, 3. -6. Looks like it could be on the point. My line's not drawn all that great. 3 and 8. Well, 3 is 1, 2, 3. 8 is way up there. So 3 and 8. I'll put that in as a different color. 3 is 5, 6, 7. 3 and 8 is up there. 4 and -3. 4, 1, 2, 4, -3 is down there. Last one is 9 and 3. 9 is here. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so the closest point, given my line here, looks to be this one, which is A. Okay, now let's check. 17, A. Now, another way you could do this, also, is since we know that the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, we can write it out. So y minus 0 equals 2/3 x minus 6. And we can actually take each of these numbers, and put them in for y and x and solve the equation and see if it actually works out. For example, with A, if I take y is -6, and this should equal 2/3 times -3 minus 6. Okay, well, let's do our bracket part first. -3 minus 6 is -9. This is going to be -6 equals 2/3 of -9 is -6, and it works. So A really is the answer. And we check that two ways. One by drawing a line, and one by using the equation of